Hey guys, today's video I'm going to be trying possibly the best parts to make a 60 euro budget custom keyboard. Okay, so first of all, for the case and the PCB, we got the GMK67 V2. It's a 65% keyboard. So basically that means it has everything except the function row and like a few buttons over here, and it has a nice volume knob. It feels really good, really nice. And if you go on the back, you can see these feet, so then there are two different levels. So then there's this like shorter level and there's like a taller level, so that's nice. And as you can see here, there is, you can't read it, but I'm just going to read it out. So this, it's, you can switch between Windows and Mac. So I use Windows, so I'm just going to put that. And here there are three options. On the left there is the dongle, which is over here. Just plug it into your PC. Dongle, so if you want a dongle, let's go to that. The lights are on. And then the middle one is cable, and then the other one is Bluetooth. Yeah. And of course there's the USB-C port here. Yeah, so this is full hot swappable. It's the Otemu socket, and yeah, with it I'm going to be using these Akko switches. They're called the Akko Creamy V3 Pro, Yellow Pro. And I also got this cable for it because I thought it may not come with a cable, but it came with a cable. But this looks better, so I'm just gonna use it. And I also got keycaps. I didn't unbox it yet because it came in this, and yeah, so basically it's just like some Japanese keycaps, but it's not Japanese, it's just English. Okay, so let's start putting the switches in. Okay, so as you can see, I got all the switches on. So let's put the keycaps on. Okay, so I'm finished. I don't have any many complaints. Only complaints that I have is the keycaps. They came in like the bag, like I showed you earlier, and yeah, it's kind of annoying to figure out what to put where because you just gotta find everything. Yeah, so that was annoying. But I got through it. It wasn't too hard. And just a small thing is that this delete key, it doesn't say delete. It says whatever this is. So yeah, instead of putting the delete key, I put this, which is just like an extra key that they gave. So that's nice. You got to expect like some things like that when you're buying something from AliExpress. But the keycaps are, they feel pretty good. It is just only those two problems. Other than that, it feels fine. Yeah, so let's just do a sound test. Okay, so I just wanted to say I experienced like a really annoying issue when I was trying to download the software. I'm just gonna link the video on how to download the software so we don't run into that issue. Okay, so this is a really good option for a custom keyboard at 60 euros. You can get it at a low price if you get different switches, because the switches that I got were 10 euros per pack. I got two packs, so 20 euros. You can get cheaper ones off AliExpress, but I just got this because I like the sound of it. And also, you can buy the keycaps when they're on a sale, or just buy some things that are cheaper. Those are just some recommendations. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and like, subscribe, and comment, and bye.